That would be them rattling the light fixture here. Got actually 3 different rooms right now. One in the back bedroom, one in the laundry room, one in the kitchen that fluctuates between the kitchen and the living room all at one time.